In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import contacts from .vcf file to a Gmail account. To begin, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in to the Google account where you want the contacts to be added. Then make sure you are looking at your inbox. Starting from Gmail is useful because it confirms you are in the correct account before you import anything. Next, look toward the top right area of the Gmail page. Click the Google Apps menu, which is the grid of small dots. This opens a panel with shortcuts to different Google services connected to your account. In that panel, find and click Contacts. This will take you out of Gmail and into Google Contacts, where importing a VCF file is handled. Once Google Contacts loads, take a moment to confirm you are still in the correct account. The import will add contacts to the account that is currently active in your browser, so it is important to be sure before you continue. Now, on the left side of the Google Contacts page, click Import. This opens the import window where you can upload a contacts file. The file type you want is a VCF, also called a Vcard file. This is a common format used when exporting contacts from phones, email programs, and contact apps. In the import window, click the area that says To Get Started, select a file. This is where you choose the VCF file from your computer. A helpful tip is to locate your VCF file ahead of time, such as on your desktop or in a folder you can easily access, so you do not waste time searching. After that, click Select File. A file picker window will appear. Browse to where your .vcf file is saved. Click the file to highlight it, and then confirm the selection to upload it. Give Google Contacts a moment to process the file. Once the import is complete, your contacts will appear in Google Contacts, and will also be available to Gmail and other Google services connected to that same account. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.